In today's video, we're diving into Zoho CRM, a powerful customer relationship management software designed to help businesses streamline their sales, marketing, and customer support processes. Zoho CRM integrates seamlessly with other Zoho applications, offering a robust set of features to enhance your business operations. If you're looking for a reliable CRM solution, Zoho CRM might be the perfect fit. If you're not already signed up with Zoho CRM, make sure to click the link in the description to get signed up and start using Zoho CRM today. First off, what is Zoho CRM? Zoho CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management software that helps businesses of all sizes manage their sales, marketing, and customer support activities from a single platform. Designed to improve customer relationships, Zoho CRM provides a comprehensive set of tools to track leads, manage customer interactions, automate workflows, and analyze sales data. Its flexibility and scalability make it suitable for small businesses, startups, and large enterprises. Zoho CRM is ideal for businesses looking to enhance their sales and marketing processes while building stronger customer relationships. It's especially beneficial for companies that already use other Zoho applications, as it integrates seamlessly with the Zoho ecosystem. Zoho CRM is well suited for a variety of industries, including retail, finance, healthcare, and real estate, providing a versatile solution that can be tailored to specific business needs. Zoho CRM's user-friendly interface and powerful features make it a great choice for businesses looking to streamline their customer relationship management processes, improve sales performance, and enhance customer satisfaction. Let's go over some key features of Zoho CRM. It offers a wide range of features to help businesses manage their customer relationships more effectively. First off, lead management. Zoho CRM provides a robust lead management system that allows you to capture, track, and manage leads throughout your sales pipeline. You can assign leads to specific sales representatives, set follow-up reminders, and automate lead scoring to prioritize the most promising opportunities. The lead management system also integrates with other Zoho applications such as Zoho Campaigns for email marketing and Zoho Sales IQ for live chat, ensuring that all lead interactions are captured and managed from a single platform. Another key feature is contact management. Zoho CRM allows you to store and manage all of your customer information in one place. You can create detailed customer profiles, track interactions, and manage communication history, making it an easy way to build stronger relationships with your customers. The contact management system also includes features like segmentation, tagging, and custom fields, allowing you to organize your contacts based on specific criteria and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Another key component of Zoho CRM is its sales automation. Zoho CRM offers powerful sales automation tools that help streamline your sales process. You can automate tasks like sending follow-up emails, updating lead statuses, and generating quotes, freeing up your sales team to focus on closing deals. The platform's workflow automation features allows you to create custom workflows based on specific triggers or conditions, ensuring that your sales processes are consistent and efficient. Zoho CRM also includes AI-powered tools like Zia, which provide sales predictions, lead scoring, and workflow recommendations to help you optimize your sales performance. Next is pipeline management. Zoho CRM's pipeline management tools provide a visual representation of your sales pipeline, allowing you to track deals at every stage of the sales process. You can customize your pipeline stages, set up deal milestones, and monitor the progress of each deal in real time. The pipeline management tools also include forecasting and reporting features, helping you identify potential bottlenecks and make data-driven decisions to improve your sales performance. Another key feature is marketing automation. Zoho CRM integrates with Zoho Campaigns and other marketing tools to provide a comprehensive marketing automation solution. You can create, send, and track email campaigns, manage social media interactions, and automate marketing workflows to engage with your audience more effectively. The platform's marketing automation features also include advanced segmentation, A/B testing, and analytics, allowing you to measure the success of your marketing efforts and make informed adjustments as needed. Next is reporting and analytics. Zoho CRM offers a wide range of reporting and analytics tools that provide insights into your sales and marketing performance. You can generate reports on metrics like lead conversion rates, sales growth, and customer engagement, helping you identify trends and make data-driven decisions. The platform's analytics tools also include customizable dashboards that provide real-time insights into your business performance. You can create scheduled reports that are automatically generated and sent to your inbox, ensuring that you always have access to the latest data. Lastly, customization and integration. Zoho CRM is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor the platform to meet your specific business needs. You can customize fields, layouts, workflows, and reports to align with your sales processes. Zoho CRM also integrates seamlessly with other Zoho applications and third-party tools, creating a unified ecosystem that enhances collaboration and efficiency across your organization. The platform's customization options also include the ability to create custom modules, set up conditional fields, and configure role-based access controls, ensuring that Zoho CRM can adapt to your unique workflow and processes. Let's go over some pros and cons of Zoho CRM. Starting off with the pros, comprehensive feature set. Zoho CRM offers a wide range of features that covers all aspects of customer relationship management, from lead and contact management to sales automation and marketing integration. This makes it a one-stop solution for businesses looking to streamline their CRM processes. User-friendly interface. Zoho CRM is designed with ease of use in mind, making it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. The platform's intuitive interface and comprehensive support resources ensures that you can quickly get up to speed and start managing your customer relationships effectively. Customization and flexibility. Zoho CRM is highly customizable, allowing businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs. The platform's flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of industries and business models, ensuring that it can adapt to your unique processes. Seamless integration. Zoho CRM integrates seamlessly with other Zoho applications, as well as third-party tools like email marketing platforms, social media management tools, and e-commerce systems. This creates a unified ecosystem that enhances collaboration and efficiency across your organization. Scalability. Zoho CRM is scalable, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Zoho CRM can grow with your business and provide the tools you need to manage your customer relationships effectively. Now moving on to the cons. Learning curve for advanced features. While the basic features of Zoho CRM are easy to use, there can be a learning curve when it comes to mastering the platform's more advanced capabilities. Zoho provides extensive resources to help users overcome this, but it is something to keep in mind if you're new to CRM software. Limited advanced features for larger enterprises. While Zoho CRM is highly effective for small to medium-sized businesses, larger enterprises with more complex CRM needs may find the platform lacking in certain advanced features. However, Zoho offers other products like Zoho CRM Plus that may be more suitable for larger organizations. Customization limitations. Although Zoho CRM offers a good level of customization, some users may find it less flexible than other CRM platforms when it comes to tailoring the software to highly specialized business needs. Businesses with unique or complex CRM requirements may need to explore additional customization options or integrations. Next, let's go into Zoho CRM competitors. Zoho CRM faces competition from several other CRM platforms that offer similar features. Here's a look at some of the main competitors. Starting off with Salesforce. Salesforce is one of the most popular CRM platforms, known for its robust feature set, scalability, and extensive customization options. It's particularly favored by large enterprises, but can be more expensive and complex than Zoho CRM. Next up is HubSpot CRM. HubSpot offers a free CRM with powerful sales and marketing tools. It's user-friendly and integrates well with other HubSpot products, but its advanced features are locked behind higher tiered plans. Next is Microsoft Dynamics 365. This CRM integrates seamlessly with Microsoft's ecosystems, making it ideal for businesses already using Microsoft products. It offers strong analytics and AI capabilities, but it can be pricey and has a steeper learning curve. Next is Pipedrive. Pipedrive is a sales-focused CRM known for its intuitive interface and simplicity. It's great for small to medium-sized businesses, but may lack the extensive features and integrations that Zoho CRM offers. Lastly is Freshworks CRM. Freshworks is another strong competitor, offering AI-based lead scoring integrated phone and email features. It's designed for sales teams, but might not be as comprehensive as Zoho CRM for larger or more diverse business needs. Each of these competitors offers unique strengths, but Zoho CRM stands out for its comprehensive feature set, flexibility, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes looking for a scalable CRM solution. Let's take a look at Zoho's pricing. Zoho CRM offers a range of pricing plans with both monthly and annual options to suit different business needs. They do have a free plan that's ideal for small teams with basic CRM needs, and they do support up to 3 users. Now let's take a look at the standard plan. Here you can see it's $20 per users per month billed monthly. If you want to pay yearly, it's $14 per user per month. The standard plans include all the essentials like basic modules, sales forecasting, multiple sales pipelines, lead scoring, cadences, canvas, custom fields, workflows, Office 365 integration, Zoho Marketplace, and Google Calendar Sync. Next up is the professional plan at $35 per users per month. If you do pay yearly, it comes to about $23 per users per month. The professional plan includes everything that's in the standard plan, plus some extra features like Blueprint, inventory management, sales signals, Google Ads integrations, and more. Next up, the most popular option is Enterprise, which is $50 per user per month, billed monthly. If you wanted to pay yearly, it would come to about $40 per user per month, billed annually. The Enterprise plan has everything in the professional, plus other features like Zia, the AI sales assistant, territory management, multi-user portals, client scripts, and more. Lastly is the Ultimate plan, which is $65 per users per month, billed monthly. If you wanted to pay for the year, it would come out to about $52 per user per month, billed annually. This has everything in the Enterprise, plus other features like enhanced feature limits, extended AI capabilities, advanced customization, data storytelling, and more. Let's take a quick tour of the Zoho CRM. Okay, so here is the home dashboard. Here you can see you have your open deals, your untouched deals, how many calls you did today, and how many leads you have total. Here you can see the open task. So it has the subject, due date, the status, priority, related to, and contact name. All of this is completely customizable. You also can see your meetings for the day. So you can see the time, the date, the title, contact name, and so much more. Here you can see my deals closed this month. So then again, you can see the deal name, the amount, what stage they're in, the closing date, and even more. Here you can see my pipeline deals by stage. So you can see how many are in qualification, how many need analysis, how many are in the value proposition, and more. Again, the CRM is very comprehensive. So this is just the home page. Here you can see all of your leads. You can go ahead and see all of your contacts. Again, each of this is customizable. Accounts, deals, and if you scroll over, so here you can see the pipeline, and it has how many are in qualification with an example of a lead with the name and the amount and the date. You can easily move these over to the next stage. Here you can also see tasks, all of your meetings, all of your calls, any reports. They have reports in here, but you can also create custom reports. Here is analytics, and here you can see leads this month, revenue this month, leads by source, and so much more. And on the side here, it has the org overview, but there's also lead analytics, marketing metrics, activity stats, and sales follow-up trends. You also can list out products here, so you can create a product or import, as well as services and projects. Here you can have a unified sales and project management system. That way you can connect, track, and deliver. That wraps up this Zoho CRM review. Overall, Zoho CRM is a powerful and versatile tool that offers a comprehensive solution for managing customer relationships. With its wide range of features, including lead and contact management, sales automation pipeline, and marketing integration, Zoho CRM is designed to help businesses improve their sales performance and build stronger customer relationships. We believe Zoho CRM is a standout for its flexibility, scalability, and affordability. It's designed to grow with your business, making it an ideal choice for companies of all sizes. The platform's seamless integration with other Zoho applications, along with its user-friendly interface, makes it a valuable investment for any businesses looking to optimize its customer relationship management processes. If you're ready to take your customer relationships to the next level, click the link in the description to get signed up and start using Zoho CRM today. These are affiliate links, so we do get a small commission at no cost to you. If you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tips on the best business tools available. Stay tuned for more content designed to help you make informed decisions about the software that powers your businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.